If you like the recipes, please click on like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Hi, the best chocolate fudge I've ever had was in Lonavala. Now I'm trying to recreate it at my home. You will need 2 big bars of dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon butter, 200 gram condensed milk, and 100 grams of chopped walnut. I am going to melt chocolate in a double boiler. I am going to roughly chop up the chocolate. We just want rough chunks that can melt easily. I am going to put it in the double boiler. It has started to melt. Now I'll add butter. Adding butter makes it glossy. Now I'll add condensed milk. I think chocolate fudge is the easiest dessert to make. Time to add our nuts. Now, I will leave it to set in an oily dish. I'll leave it in the fridge for 2 hours. It has nicely set. Now it's time to try it. Let's try it. It's yum. To serve, I will sprinkle some icing sugar. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.